Hey everyone, it's Munib Khan from Growth Beyond Horizon. Today we are talking about something that can save you a ton of money and frustration. The top 5 mistakes e-commerce sellers make in 2025 and how to avoid them. So, mistake number 1 is chasing trends instead of validating products. Just because a product looks popular doesn't mean it will sell for you. Use a small ad test or mini launches to confirm demand before investing heavily. Mistake number 2 is ignoring omni-channel presence. Your customers don't shop in just one place anymore. Amazon, Shopify, and social media need to work together seamlessly. If your branding, pricing, or messaging is inconsistent, you will lose trust and sales. Mistake number 3 is overspending on ads without tracking results. Every ad dollar counts. Use analytics to optimize campaigns and understand what really converts, not just what drives clicks. Mistake number 4 is focusing only on new customers. Repeat buyers are gold. Build systems to retain them and increase lifetime value. Finally, mistake number 5 is scaling too fast without processes. Fast growth is great, but without proper operations, inventory management, and customer service, you risk burning your cash and losing your reputation. Avoiding these mistakes and focusing on smart strategies and measurable returns is how the most successful e-commerce grow sustainably in 2025. So here's my question. Which of these mistakes have you been seen most sellers make? Or maybe even yourself? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want more strategies to scale your Amazon or Shopify business, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.